Popular ka na yun sa Facebook. Love na love ka ng mga masa. Even the cat is in love with her, oh. Meron akong mga questions. Okay lang?
Okay lang po. Okay lang.
Straight to the questions that you guys want to ask. I want to know, anong name mo, age mo, and if you are single?
My name is Bianca and I am 20 years old. Yes, I'm single.
Maraming nagsasabi na yung sagot mo nag-encourage sa mga broke boys na ayaw mag-effort sa buhay. What can you say about that?
I just wanna clear things up, okay? Yung sagot ko is not intended to encourage those guys na wag magtrabaho or mag-strive sa life. Kahit ako mismo, hindi ko gugustuhin yung ganun, yung walang pangarap sa buhay na lalaki. I answered based on my own perspective.
So it's not that you're encouraging the broke boys,
Yeah.
but you just want to put the money where it matters.
Opo. Tsaka let's stop, hindi po right yung magsabi tayo ng broke boys or something like that. Kasi we're not in the same shoe eh. Hindi natin alam yung pinagdadaanan nila sa buhay or yung mga struggle nila sa life just to survive. Let's be, kind to each other. Yung sagot ko is based on my own perspective lang naman eh. I mean, hindi ko naman sasayangin yung kung 8 taon sa tunay na ring lang. Kung nakikita ko namang deserving siya maging asawa or like hardworking siya, genuine yung love, pure yung intention, then why not marry him?
Agree ka na valid din ang mga sagot ng ibang girls?
Oo naman po, super valid po ng mga sagot nyo. Wala pong masama doon sa mga sagot nyo and sagot ko din, kanya-kanya lang po tayo.
Kanya-kanyang opinion.
Opo.
Exactly. This is exactly why we made the video, guys. To get people's opinions and reactions. It's not for those people who said something to get bashed. Hindi naman sa ganon. We just want to know people's opinions for fun and entertaining purposes. Not for bashing. Kaya tigilan nyo na yan. Bakit sa tingin mo, some of the girls would not settle for less?
As a woman, of course, ako din hindi ako magsisettle for less. Bakit yung ibang bahay hindi sila magsisettle for less? Kasi alam nila yung worth nila, alam nila yung ano yung deserve nila sa buhay. Yung tanong lang naman sa akin is, tatanggap ba ako ng tunay na ring? Which sabi ko yes. Hindi naman yung tanong is, magpapakasal ba ako sa taong walang pangarap sa buhay?
Ayun, that's a very big difference.
Yeah.
So maybe people misunderstood the question.
Yeah, I guess.
Anong sa tingin mo ang secret for a good relationship?
Okay, I've never been in a good relationship.
You never been in a good or any relationship?
Nagkaroon na pero hindi good. Mag-communicate kayo ng partner mo, like alamin mo kung ano yung wants niya.
Communication.
Communication. Tapos yung love, of course, kung walang love, ba't pa kayo magkaka-relationship, di ba? Trust. Trust talaga.
Do you have a social media account that you want to give everybody? We're gonna write our social media account. Follow nyo siya, guys. Maraming salamat and we'll see you on her social media.
Bye-bye!